everyone, and especially to you for watching this video. Okay, so today it's time to put in all the furniture, the accessories, toiletries, decor into this bathroom. I'll put the link up in the corner here for the video to see how I made all the stuff for this bathroom. So yeah, let's get started. So I think let's almost start here by the carpets. The long one is here for in front of the basin cabinet, and then by the shower. First is, okay, good, I made the toilet paper. Okay, I've decided on the video I showed that I'm making it out of toilet roll, but then afterwards I decided, well, a straw is actually much easier. So you will see that on the video. So I'm going to put one here by the, just make sure it is over. And then the others I'm somehow going to put in this little shelf here. It's perfect to put away the extra toilet paper. There you go. Okay, and then I've got my little laundry bin that I made. So I'm going to put this here by the shower. Okay, so next is then my towels. Okay, so next is a little decor here on the cabinet, but this thing doesn't understand, so I'm gonna just look at it. Okay, so next I sort of took a wire and bent it for the washcloth and the scrunchie, and then I just use the silver marker, permanent marker, to make it silver. And if you're wondering why my hand is silver here, I got tired of this shower door that didn't want, it keeps on falling out, so I made new Delft sticks that's much longer, and I sort of spray that with chrome spray. So I'm just waiting for that to dry now while I'm doing all this stuff. So I'm just going to put this here in the shower. Now I can just hang my washcloth and scrunchie here in the shower. Okay, and then must my shampoo and conditioner and shower gel and shower soap or something. Put this here on the little shelf here. Like I said, these two didn't want to fit in here by the shower. The shampoo and conditioner, Teresa May took all the place there. So next to both, I actually also forgot to make some railings for towels here by the bath. So it's just also just wire that I bent with that popsicle sticks that I just make silver with a silver marker. Okay, and so I'm going to put my stuff in here. And then, of course, my soap must be here and in the shower. Okay, and then my little decor I'm gonna put here. Just a little bit how I'm gonna figure that one out. See something. Yeah. Okay, and then my blind, beautiful blind. And then just my towels here. Okay, so now my tools are right. And I think this is going to work much better because it's more sturdier and it actually looks a lot neater. I don't know if I'm going to get this one in here. Nope. There you go. Much better, much sturdier, and much neater. Okay, so yeah, let's carry on with the basin here. Okay, this is just extra towels that I'm soon going to put in the cupboard. Okay, and then some art I made. I really can't, this is also a printout, but I really can't remember where I got this. But I'm just going to put it here next to each other. Top here, I think in line with the mirror. Okay, and this little butterfly I had for a very long time. I think it was for from some other kind of wedding. I'm gonna put that above the mirror. And then I had this little thing. I think it was the ball that came with that little doggy mitzi. So I'm gonna put it here to put stuff in, like maybe this extra ones here. Okay, so this is the hand soap. I'm gonna put here, and then the hand lotion and little holder for the toothbrushes. I actually wanted to put a toothpaste in there as well, but it's just too. Okay, maybe it will work like that. Let me try. Let's see. Okay, I think I must. Nope, it's not going to work. That on that side, and put a toothpaste here with the stuff. Okay, and then I've got this big hand lotion. So put it there, and this is some Nivea cream or whatever. Also in there, and then a little hand towel for you by the basin. Which I think I made this thing too low. Then this little 2 bottles I made, so I'm going to put it there. So now I do not have place for this I made. I actually made much too much stuff for this bathroom. Maybe just put one there. Okay, so that's it. That's another bathroom done. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, click on that like and subscribe buttons, and then if you want to see next one I upload, then click that notification bell as well. So until next time, bye.